Now we will learn about position vectors. For example, you can see a coordinate axis x and y, and you have 2 points given here, a 2 6 and b 7 3. You are asked to find the position vector of a and b. The position vector is that vector which expresses the position of a point. The position vector of a with respect to the origin O is this OA, equal to, we will write the x coordinate of a 2 and we will write the y coordinate of a 6. We will write here an I and we will write here a j, and we will put a plus sign between them. That means the position vector of a is OA and it is 2i plus 6j when the coordinate is 2 6. Why? To reach the point A from O, you need to move 2 unit rightward and 6 unit upward. So along x-axis the unit vector is I, you moved along x-axis 2i, and the unit vector along y-axis is j, and you moved upward 6 unit, that means 6j. So if you think this way, from O to A, how can we go there? 2i plus 6j. This is the position vector of A. We will write the x coordinate and put an I with it plus the y coordinate with a j. If you express it as column vector, it is 2 6. The vector OA is 2 6. That means the position vector of A is OA, and if we express it with respect to I and j, this is 2i plus 6j, and if we express it with column vector, this is 2 6. And what about the position vector of B? The position vector of B is OB, and this is 7i plus 3j. It will move 7 unit along x-axis and 3 unit along y-axis. So in the shape of column vector, we can write it as 7 3. So we learned the concept of position vector, and we found here the position vector of A and B when we were given the coordinates of A and B. Now if you are asked to find the vector of AB, the vector from A to B, how to find it? The vector AB is the position vector of B minus the position vector of A. The position vector of the point which is written here right minus the position vector of the point which is written here in left. So AB equal to OB minus OA. You need to memorize this. So AB equal to OB minus OA. OB is 7 3 and OA is 2 6. So the vector AB is 7 minus 2 5, 3 minus 6 minus 3. If we know the position vectors, we can find any vectors using this formula.